Hello welders. Today I've got a quick video for you and we're going to discuss how to navigate through a program and how to touch up points. So the first thing I'm going to do is in my parts library I'm going to select the program that needs to be touched up. Once I select that program, I'm going to select edit this part. Now that I'm in the program and I've identified where there's an issue in my program, what I'm going to do is I'm going to navigate to the point that needs to be touched up, right? So in the top left of the Teach menu, there's a drop down that shows Run Mode. What you can do is click that and then select Step Mode. So now that I've selected Step Mode, I can press play. And it's going to take me to the first point of my program, and then from there my operator input button is going to begin flashing. I can now press that and we're stepping through my program now, right? But say I just want to move directly to the point that I need to go to. I'm going to click stop to take me out of step mode. I don't want to play the program anymore. I just want to move to my point. That weld end, I'm going to press that, and that brings up a new menu that allows me to touch up and move to the point. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click move here, and then my operator input button begins to flash. So now I'm just going to press and hold the operator input button, and that moves to the end of the weld. Now be mindful when using the move here function, because if my arm was in the home position and I wanted to move straight to the weld end, the Cobot doesn't know that this fixturing's in the way, right? So on the way to that point, it's gonna collide with that fixturing. That's why the step through function is also very useful. So now I'm at my point that needs to be touched up, right? Under the same menu where the move here function is located, I'm gonna press touch up. And now the blue light on my smart puck has began flashing. And I'm just gonna adjust my torch angles by pressing and holding the green free drive button. And then once I have that how it needs to be, I just click the blue button just like I would normally, teaching a point. And there you go, my point has been taught. And then I just press close on that menu, and now my program has been updated. So very simple, very easy to use compared to more complicated systems, right? But like traditional automation, that's something that normally might be buried under menus or icons, things like that. But with our application, it's very simple to do. So thank you so much for your time, welders. Remember, keep it simple, Cobot. Have a great day.